When putting the TMS cap on the patients, pay attention to the following things. First of all, use one cap for one patient. During the first visit, the cap is marked according to the chosen protocol, and you should use the same cap for the following sessions. The cap should fit well, tightly to a patient's head and not moving around. Blue line on the cap should be the same as sagittal or central line of the patient's head. To ensure that the same cap will be used for the following sessions with this patient, please put patient's name in the field on the cap. To provide the same position of the cap during the next sessions, measure the distance between nasion and the bottom end of the cap and put it in the L field on the cap.